Hello everyone again. Today we're gonna do another slime. We're gonna have again lot of fun. It's gonna be funny, like always. I have here the glue. I'm gonna start with the glue like always. Yeah, I put the glue here. I'm gonna put the color now. A little bit of color. I choose orange color today. It's gonna be a lot of orange. And then I'm gonna put the borax, the slime activator. And we're gonna play a lot because today is not so nice outside and I'm gonna stay inside. I'm gonna stay on the house and I'm gonna play with you. We're gonna have a lot of fun together like always. I hope you like my videos and you give me big thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for every time when I post a new slime to see me. It get yellow at the moment, but I'm gonna put more orange color and it's gonna be orange. Should we put a bit more color? Oh, we put a lot of color, not just a little bit. We put a lot of color. A lot of color, lot of color, lot of color. You can tell me your opinion on the comment below. I'm waiting for that. That's orange, I think. Not too bad, isn't it? And now let's put a little bit, slowly, some slime activator. That's very nice. Already getting stronger. I like it. I like it. I like it. Like it. Like it. You see, it's getting stronger now. Let's put a little bit more and then mix it to not get too strong from first time and can do a good slime. We do slowly. All the time, slowly. You see how it's getting every time stronger and stronger. Like this have to be, because after if we put too much borax from first time, it's getting strong and it's not gonna be a good slime. You can have fun with it after. But now we put slowly and then it's getting okay. Getting nice, ready to play. Da-da-da-da-da. Don't forget to comment down below to my video to can know your opinion as well. because like this we're gonna have a lot of fun. If I know your opinion, you see what I'm doing. And if you subscribe to my channel, you will receive notification every time when I'm gonna post a new video with new slime. And you can tell me your opinion, you can give me a thumb up. Give me thumbs up. That's nice. Still soft, sticking to my hand, but I'm gonna put to my fingers some borax and I'm gonna mix with my hand. Let's put a little bit more. Like always, I'm gonna put some borax here. Then I'm gonna take with my hand and I'm gonna mix all the slime. Because it's still sticky a little bit, but we have to mix it a lot. How I tell you, to be a good slime. Nice slime have to be mixed a lot. Slowly, slowly, it's gonna be stronger and stronger, like every time, you know, when I do it. But we have to work hard. Do you hear the noise? That was funny. You see, it's getting better and better. Look how nice it is, look. Already. I tell you, it's gonna come off my hands. You see how nice we can play? Don't laugh. Oh yes, you can laugh now, you hear the noise. You see, get strong and strong and strong, slowly, slowly. Now it's not sticky to my hands, to my fingers. Very nice. And now we can play. Let's put a bit color on the middle. I'm waiting for your opinion on the comment below. I want to see your thumbs up to my page. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos with nice slime. Because I'm gonna post every week a slime for you, how I make slime, different colors. Super! Thank you for watching and see you next time.